Problem number 39. Convex and concave mirror have the same radii of curvature capital R. The distance between the mirrors is 2r. At what point on the common optical axis of the mirrors should a point source of light A be placed for the rays to converge at A after being reflected first on convex and on the concave mirror? Here they given two mirrors, one is convex and one is concave. Both are arranged coaxially or same common optic axis. I will draw diagram. I will show common optic axis. Here in between them one object is placed. First reflection takes place from the convex mirror. After concave, finally image formed on object itself. Then what is the object distance? So now we solve this problem. Here we can arrange mirrors in this way or in this way. In any one way we can arrange. Suppose here each one radius of curvature they given r. The separation between the two mirrors they given 2r. The distance between these two mirrors is taken as 2r. So both are having same principal axis, that is a common optic center. We arrange it like this. Here also same. The distance between them is equal to 2r. Now I am placing one object in between them. For example, I am placing one object is here. This object is taken as A. Or if you place like this mirrors, then you assume this is the position of the object. I am assuming object is at a distance of x meters from the convex mirror. Assume like this. Here also same. From the convex mirror, object is at a distance of x meters. First what happened? Light rays incident on the convex mirror. So light rays are coming from the object and incident on the convex mirror. Here which type of beam is incident on the convex mirror? Diverging beam of light is incident. This beam of light is diverging beam is incident on the convex mirror. Diverging means that is real object. For real object, convex mirror forms a virtual image. So its image is formed inside the mirror. Assume this is the focus F, which is equal to R by 2. Here its image will form here. So which type of image? Virtual, erect and diminished image will form. So because of reflected rays. After reflected from this mirror, light rays are incident on the convex mirror. After reflected from the convex mirror, light rays are incident on the concave mirror. What happened? Again reflected from the concave mirror and again light rays will converges at point A. This is the rough diagram for the given problem. Here also same. Object is placed here. Light rays are incident on the convex mirror first. Its image is formed inside. Again reflected from the convex mirror and incident on the concave mirror. Again reflected and incident on the same object. This is the rough diagram in both cases. First, what happened? First we calculate image distance. This image act as a object for the concave mirror. So if you observe here, this distance is x. So from the pole of the concave mirror, final image distance is 2r minus x. This is 2r minus x. But for concave mirror, image formed in a convex mirror act as object. Its distance is 2x plus 2r plus, and this distance is taken as image distance v. 2r plus v will come. Clear, Nana? Here what happened? First, in convex mirror, its image will form. This image act as a object for the concave mirror. Again, its image is formed on point A. So that is the given situation. So try to understand clearly. Now we solve problem. So I am rubbing this diagram. Based on this, I can solve. So first we calculate what is the image position. So I am drawing separate diagram. This is convex mirror. Object is placed at a distance x meters in front of it. Its image is formed here. Find its image distance first. So in this case, object distance u is equal to minus x according to sign convention. Real object distance negative. We don't know image distance. V is equal to question mark, and focal length f is equal to half of radius of curvature r by 2. Focal length value positive for the convex mirror. So f is equal to plus r by 2 only. From mirror formula, what is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. From this, 1 by f is equal to 2 by r will come, because f is equal to r by 2. 1 by f is equal to cross multiply minus 1 by x plus v we can get. Take this side, then we get 2 by r plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by v we can get. From this, take LCM, r into x rx, 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 by v. So image formed v is equal to, here r will come, rx by 2x plus r will come. This is the image position in the convex mirror. Here, image formed inside the mirror. This image we got positive sign, means virtual image. Clear? So v is equal to rx by 2x plus r. Now this image act as a object for the concave mirror. So this object is this image act as object for the concave. So from the concave mirror, what is the position of the object? So this total distance is equal to 2r plus v. So it acts as a object, and its image formed here. Then image distance is equal to 2r minus x. If we simplify carefully, finally we can get x value. So x is the distance from the convex mirror. Now we calculate object distance from the concave mirror. So I am rubbing this one. Calculate object distance for concave mirror. Object distance for concave mirror so that is taken as u2. u2 is equal to 2r plus v we can get. So this is 2r plus this distance v, 2r plus v. So which is equal to 2r plus V is equal to, we got Rx divided by 2x plus R. Here, take LCM. LCM is 2x plus R is the LCM. Here, 2R into 2x plus R plus Rx multiply 4 into Rx plus 2 into R square plus Rx divided by 2x plus R. This is object distance for the concave mirror. But what about image distance? If we simplify first, then we get 2R square plus 5 into Rx divided by 2x plus R. So U2 this value. But what about image? They said finally image found on A. So here final image distance from the concave mirror is taken as V2. V2 is equal to 2R minus X. This is V2 value. If you apply sign convention, V2 value negative and U2. So these are the object and image distances for concave mirror. From mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. But in case of concave mirror, object distance U value negative, V value is also negative because this image is a real image. Focal length value also negative, F is equal to minus R by 2. These values substitute here, then we get minus 2 by R is equal to minus 1 by U2 minus 1 by V2. Take minus common and simplify, then we get 2 by R is equal to 1 by U2 plus 1 by V2. So U2, V2 values substitute in this equation, simplify, then we get X value. So from that 2 by R is equal to 1 by U, that is equal to R plus 2X by 2R square plus 5Rx plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by 2R minus X. Take LCM here. Here LCM is 2R square plus 5Rx into 2R minus X. Cross multiply, then we get R plus 2X into 2R minus X plus cross multiply 2R square plus 5Rx we can get. Here 2 by R is equal to, in denominator take in this term R common, R into, we can get 2R plus 5X into 2R minus X. Here multiply, then we get 2R square minus Rx plus 4Rx minus 2X square plus 2R square plus 5Rx. If we observe in denominator R get cancelled, both R's are get cancelled, then cross multiply 2 into 2R plus 5X into 2R minus X, which is equal to, if we simplify this, minus 4R square we can get. Here 2R square, here 2R square, 4R square, minus only 1 2x square is there, 2x square. Here minus Rx plus 4Rx plus 3Rx, 3Rx plus 5Rx, that is equal to 8rx. Multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8r square. Next minus 2 2s are 4, 4rx. Next 10 10 2s are 20rx plus 20rx minus plus into minus minus 10x square. These terms take to left side, then we get 4r square plus 2x square minus 8rx is equal to 0. Here, simplify, you get answer. Here 8r square minus 4r square is there. Simplify, then we get 4r square. Next, here minus 10x square, here plus 2x square is there, minus 8x square. And here, if you observe these two, minus 4rx plus 20rx plus 16 will come. Plus 16 minus 8, finally we can get plus 8rx is equal to 0, we can get. Here, from this, four r square minus 8x square, both sides multiply with the minus, then we get 8x square minus 8rx, multiply with minus, minus into minus plus, plus 8x square, plus into minus, minus 8rx, minus 4r square is equal to 0. Take 4 common, then we get 2x square minus 2r into x minus r square is equal to 0. From this, 2x square minus 2rx minus r square is equal to 0. This is quadratic expression we got. It compared with ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare these two, then we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2r, c is equal to minus r square we can get. So, by using this simplify, then we get x value. Roots for quadratic equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So from this equation, x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 2r, take positive plus b square minus 2r whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 2, c is equal to minus r square by 2a. 2 into a is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2r plus root over 4r square plus into minus minus into minus plus 8r square divided by 4 we can get. So which is equal to 2r plus root over 12r square by 4 we can get. This 12 we can write root over 12 is equal to, we can write root 3 into 4 we can write. It is in the form of root over a into b. Root over a into b we can write root a into root b, which is equal to 2 root 3. So from this we can get 2r plus 2r into root 3 by 4 we can get, x is equal to. From this take 2r common, then we get x is equal to 2r into 1 plus root 3 by 4 we can get 2 times x is equal to, finally we can get 1 plus root 3 into r by 2 we can get. This is the x value. So object is at a distance of 1 plus root 3 into r by 2 from convex mirror. Where? From convex mirror.